introduce ourselves. My name is Olivia. My name is rejeki. And now we want to explain about rain. So guys, rain is liquid water in the form of droplets that have condensed from atmospheric water vapor and becomes heavy enough to fall under gravity. Rain have three characters. First, patterns. Second, acidity. Third, common climate classification. Benefit of rain. Rain provides water that is basically needed for life. Rain is used to flood river, used in hydropower generation stations. Positive and negative effect of rain. Positive, the soil becomes fertile and not dry. Negative, his heavy rain will cause floods and landslides. Some facts about rain that are rarely known. First, the average speed of rain drop falling to earth is 8 until 10 km per hour. Second, when at the top, the rain component is still in the form of ice or crystalline, but eventually descends to earth in the form of droplets. Third, every second there are around 6 million tons of water that evaporates from the surface of the earth as material for rain. And the last, the share of rainwater stays the same. Hundreds of times is 1 second. 5. There are regions on Earth that experience rain throughout the years. X Hawaii. The minimum height of rainfall is 1,200 meters. 7. After the rain falls, the sandwich grass will emit a distinctive fragrance. This compound is called petrichor. And the last, rain has the ability to hypnotize humans to resonate memories from the past. The benefit of rain for health. The first, lost weight. A study in Japan in 2013 found a substance in rainwater that is useful for making the body work harder, so the calories released by the body will be more drained. The second, providing peace. A study in Australia found an interesting fact in rain can release stress, giving calm to the body. This condition is caused by the smell of the soil that comes out when it rains. Third, release days. Rain makes a sound when it comes down, called white noise. The sound reverses as a signal sender to the brain, so that it stimulates the mind to reduce heavy work and eliminate stress. First, refresh the skin. Rainwater can actually help reverse the skin due to the cold in contact. Therefore, dry skin and after exposed to the soil, be fresh when exposed to dry. Healthy hair. Science at this time, rainwater was believed to be able to beautiful and provide health to the hair. This is because rainwater has a natural free level so that it is free from salt, minerals, and other substances that are bad for hair. We think that's all. Thank you for watching and bye-bye! So guys,